Okay, I have an idea. I don't think you can.
All day long, it's so on the clock.
To wear a hat.
Stash up your Tony. He's going to put in the slices of fruitcake and feed.
Ready?
Ready?
Wiggling.
Oh, come on!
Wriggling. Jiggling.
You gotta be kidding me!
Limbless. Squirming. Writhing. Fixing a car.
What? Come on! How the heck did you guess this time? Let's do this! Hey,
Sushi. Canadian.
wait, I'm sorry, sushi?
Pepperoni. Joe Pesci.
Oh, come on!
Previously in my last TikTok, I received a mysterious package with a Today I found something that makes me never want to dig holes again. I was walking my dog.
You already know that? Wow, clever.
Morningstar Farms. Carolina thinks plants are delicious when they taste like chicken.
Nuggets!
Morningstar Farms, America's favorites, made from plants. Morningstar Farms. Made from plants. Tastes like chicken.
Bet you didn't see that one coming.
Morningstar Farms, America's favorites, made from plants.
I cannot tell a lie. I need a new set of dentures.
At Libman, we help you clean away life's messes. Take the Wonder Mop. Clever microfiber grip strips lift away dirt and fight odor-causing bacteria, even from grout and tough corners. Wonder Mop's easy-to-use power wringer removes water for faster drying floors. Machine wash it up to 50 times and save the expense of those throwaway brands. Remember the moment and forget the mess with Wonder Mop and the whole family of Libman products.
Subway open, they changed the fast food game. But sometimes you gotta refresh to be fresh. Welcome to the Eat Fresh Refresh, where there's so much new, some say it can't fit in one ad. I say, we're talking a new All-American Club, deli-style oven-roasted turkey, and...
Oh, that's the new steak and cheese.
Oh, yeah, I knew that. That's the one with the new seasoning.
And that was the new MVP Parmesan vinaigrette.
Right, which makes the next level foot... Hold up, the Subway logo? Wait, I'm out of time.
Gotta refresh to be fresh.
How many people are in this ad?
That means freshly baked, new artisan Italian, and hearty multigrain. That would go good with. Seriously? I didn't even get to finish. Oh, see a nice commercial.
Now there is a.
Oh, she's great. Okay, here we go. Here's the bunny. Big smile. That's it. Say cheese. Oh.
Oh, no. Oh, come on.
First kid.
Just take it.
You get her to stop on the couch.
All right, perfect.
This is gonna be great. Okay, here we go.
Just be happy they're wearing clothes.
Say cheese.
Second kid. By their second kid, every parent's an expert and more likely to choose Loves than first-time parents.
Your mom's gonna love that one. And she's naked.
Live, learn, and get Loves. First kid. You ready? Second kid. By their second kid, every mom is an expert and more likely to choose Loves. Live, learn, and get Loves.
Regardez, là c'est moi. Et là c'est mon fils, avec le même sweat, il a pas bougé. Et ça, grâce à l'unique Vanish Booster de lavage, il détache mieux que la lessive seule, ultra facilement, et même à basse température. Plus efficace qu'une lingette, avec son action anti-décoloration, les couleurs sont impeccables. Vanish, une dose à chaque lavage, et vos vêtements durent plus longtemps. Et pour un linge parfaitement propre et sain, nouveau Vanish Booster de lavage, désinfectant sans javel. Le seul gel à éliminer taches, bactéries et mauvaises odeurs. Impeccable. Vanish Booster de lavage, désinfectant.
Si pudieras crear la mejor oferta, ¿cómo lo harías?
Yo le pondría los mejores equipos. Full HD, meta selfies.
Lo tenemos para ti. Aprovecha y llévate el Oppo A54 o renueva tu iPhone en 24 cuotas de 15.413 pesos. Seamos claros.
Ajá.
But call right now and we'll give you a second Wonder File free. Just pay processing and handling. That's right. You get 2 Wonder Files for only $19.99.
To order Wonder...
One.
Whoa. What? Oh.
And then 1 cases of TNT.
No!
So you have 10 years experience.
I do.
But no PhD.
I do have a master's in early childhood development.
You don't mind if I just record this, do you?
No.
First kid?
Here's all the numbers, food's in the fridge. Oh, and Lucas likes to pull on jewelry, so you might want to lose the nose ring.
By their second kid, every mom is an expert and more likely to choose Loves than first-time moms. Loves locks away wetness 2 times better than Huggies Snug and Dry. And with large tabs for easy fastening. Live, learn, and get Loves.
Here we go.
Second kid.
Coming in, mommy?
Not a chance.
By their second kid, every parent is an expert and more likely to choose Loves than first-time parents. Live, learn, and get Loves.
To make the transition
Guru.
Yeah, that tickles.
I'm just gonna go for it. Burger King. Wow, nice going, Wendy's. And that's why Wendy's is my final answer.
Oh, come on.
All right, everybody.
Whatever you say, Bear. Oh, nice. Super crispy.
Everyone is expected to act one way their whole life.
Aw, snap!
Sorts of magical powers, including time travel, wine tasting, and spidey sense.
Dude, give it up. You'll never...
Just depends on who makes the microwave. Is it GE?
GE makes no magical micro...
Nothing. End quote. Well, that's easy. And I know that Viper changes her head flowers 3 times a day. And does knowing that I know nothing count as knowing something? Ah!
Utterly worthless. The grapefruit decided to make his second wish, that the woman wish remaining. Why, he could simply wish the smell of...
What matters is that Orange knew the title and movie. 2 points.
Fine.
Should get a point for that.
Agreed.
No,
Now, guess a letter.
Why?
Because those are the... Oh, okay, looks like there are...
I'm a giant talking Poe action figure in Mantis's dream? That is so...
Orange, blue, up.
Oh, no.
Orange don't even know what to say. It doesn't even taste like food. It tastes like dirt. Ding, 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 ding. Little Apple, you're a teeny weeny winner. Many words. Ding, 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 ding. Baby Orange has guessed correctly.
Ne faites pas comme Monsieur Pop. Éteignez votre téléphone. Ne faites pas comme Monsieur Pop. Ne filmez pas l'écran. Ne faites pas comme Monsieur Pop. Ne dérangez pas vos voisins.
Ding!
You are innocent.
You...
Murderer. I'm not the murderer. Where are you?
Love to play. Brilliant.